Electronics Organizer. Jellycomb Electronic Accessories Cable Organizer Bag. Waterproof travel cable storage bag for charging cable, power bank, iPad up to 11 and more. Large black and blue. Large capacity. Keeps things organized. The large electronics storage bag has 2 layers nylon interior compartment with enough space to take in your cables, USB drive, cell phone, charger, mouse, Kindle, mini tablet and other accessories. Structure: 6 elasticized mesh segments for USB drive, to mesh pocket for chargers, cell phones, 12 elastic loops for cables, 1 SD/TF card storage segment, 1 big adhesive pocket for tablet, iPad mini, 1 detachable hand strap. Dimension: 11.75*8.24*1 in exquisite design. Waterproof nylon surface prevent water forcible ripping. Ensure the safety of your 2 premium zippers make it easier to open/close the bag to take your charger. High elasticity loops keep your chargers and cables in place. Pad storage case. 1 layer has a pad storage case for your tablet, Kindle and pocket book. Tips: this organizer bag fits for tablet 11-inch multiple usage. Well-padded semi-flexible covers offer excellent protection for your electronic accessories. Besides, the storage bag is also suitable to store pens, pills and makeup. Best for household and tourism using. Portable and convenient. Perfect for traveling. Just open the case and check if everything is there, preventing you from leaving things behind. The small size and lightweight design allows you to carry the bag with the hand strap. It also fits your briefcase, luggage and backpack without taking much space. Product description: electronics organizer. Best travel gear. BAGSMART electronics organizer and incase accessory pouch review. BAGSMART travel universal cable organizer electronics accessories cases for various USB, phone, charge and color: black and blue, vertical line size: large capacity to zipper opening for easy and immediate access to all your electronics accessories. First layer: 18 elastic loops to hold various items like cables, pens, and etc. 5 easy mesh pouches with elastic loops expand to store multiple sizes of USB drives, flash drive, Nintendo DS/3DS/Nintendo Switch game cards, 1 zipper mesh pockets for cell phone, hard drive, portable power bank, memory cards, USB drive, earphones, smartphones, CF cards, U-disc or other small PC accessories. Second layer: to mesh pockets expand to hold laptop charger and battery. 1 large built-in bag to storage iPad Pro 11, iPod, Kindle. Easy to carry, this lightweight electronics accessories case helps you to carry your chargers and accessories anywhere when traveling. The extra hand strap allows you to hold the case with 1 hand easily. applications, SD cards, earphones, USB cable, iPad mini, Kindle, notebook, pens, pills, makeup brushes and other accessories. Product specification: dimension, medium, 9.83 * 6.54 * 0.82 inch, large, 11.75 * 8.24 * 1 in material, durable and water resistant nylon closures. 2 zippers. Features: hand strap structure, double layers, 12 elastic loops for cables, 6 elasticized mesh segments for USB drive to mesh pocket for chargers, cell phones, 1 SD/TF card storage segment, 1 adhesive pocket for tablet, iPad Pro 11, detachable hand strap. Product information: color: black and blue, vertical line size: large, technical details: collapse ball, summary screen size 11 inches, other technical details: brand name Jelly Comb, item model number, item weight 8.8 ounces, product dimensions 10 x 7.8 x 1.1 inches, item dimensions LXW XH 10 x 7.8 x 1.12 inches, color black and blue. Additional information: ASIN B07 Marshall Islands 7L6G. To customer reviews: 4.6 out of 5 stars, 1,635 ratings, 4.6 out of 5 stars. Best sellers rank: number 43 in electronic organizers. Shipping weight 8.8 ounces. View shipping rates and policies. Date: first available July 24, 2018. Warranty and support: Amazon.com. Return policy: you may return any new computer purchased from Amazon.com that is dead on arrival, arrives in damaged condition, or is still in unopened boxes, for a full refund within 30 days of purchase. Amazon.com reserves the right to test dead on arrival returns and impose a customer fee equal to 15% of the product sales price if the customer misrepresents the condition of the product. Any returned computer that is damaged through customer misuse, is missing parts, or is in unsellable condition due to customer tampering will result in the customer being charged a higher restocking fee based on the condition of the product. Amazon.com will not accept returns of any desktop or notebook computer more than 30 days after you received the shipment. New, used, and refurbished products purchased from marketplace vendors are subject to the returns policy of the individual vendor. Product warranty. For warranty information about this product, please click here. Feedback: if you are a seller for this product, would you like to suggest updates through seller support? Would you like to tell us about a lower price?